Joy Jam wasn't just an event, it was a reminder that teaching changes lives, that joy matters, that connection fuels us, that growth is possible, and that success isn't just a test score. It's every student who feels seen, heard, and inspired. Teaching isn't just a job, it's a calling.